Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Drax. Drax, we are on the Northern Coastal Highway heading towards, just on the outskirts of Ocho Rios. We're driving from Ocho Rios to St. Anne's Bay, and we're going through a community known as Drax. And this is the fastest growing community in Jamaica. The amount of homes that are being built, the amount of infrastructure that is being built in this area is unbelievable. Now on the left, if we turn left, we would go up the hill, and that would take us to where even more residential homes are being built. Thousands of homes have been built in this area, and thousands more are being built. And the infrastructure to support this kind of development, it's just coming on stream now. So here you have a Starbucks, a Pizza Hut, and a KFC. This plaza recently opened, and it's not even fully, not all the stores haven't opened yet. That's how fast Drax Hall has been growing. There is no major supermarket in Drax Hall at this time, although there is one being built. You see all the construction going on. It's because the houses were they're just going up at such a rate, so fast that persons couldn't keep up. So all this development is just starting now. So when Drax Hall was first set up, it was just a small residential so Drax Hall was just a small residential community on the outskirts of Ocho Rios. But it has grown so fast. Okay, here, this is another plaza, and you can see some of the stores are still not open. But it's a lot of development is going on. And some very nice homes have been built, gated communities. Very nice. There you can see more construction going on. So this is the Knutsford Express depot at the front. Knutsford Express is a luxury bus service that runs around the island. So the two major towns St. Anne's Bay is the capital of St. Anne, and Ocho Rios is the main town. It's the most popular town. It's one of the major tourist destinations. Has a lot of hotels, beaches, tourist attractions. So Drax Hall is ideally located between St. Anne's Bay and Ocho Rios. So it also has, those two towns have all the banks, the supermarkets, all the major government buildings. So Drax Hall doesn't need that kind of infrastructure. I mean, in one direction, Ocho Rios is 5 minutes away. In the other direction, St. Anne's Bay is 5 minutes away. So Drax Hall is just strictly residential. It's a residential community, and then you have all these places like Starbucks, etc., that you will help support the residential community. So it's an ideal place, and a lot of Jamaicans who live overseas, or persons overseas that want to do some sort of business in Jamaica, this is the location they're choosing. That's another reason why this area does so well, because a lot of persons are buying the homes as investments, etc. So okay, let's take a look at this now. So here you have the Starbucks, and then you have a Pizza Hut and a KFC on the other side. Now over here on this side, and this plaza is new. I mean, some of these stores just opened in the last couple of days. You have the Sakura restaurant, then you have Shopwise, and then at the end you have something about CPJ. There it is on the left, CPJ Market, which is, I think it's a supermarket. It's a very small thing though. Spirits, wines, premium foods. So they are open. And then if we turn left there, we'd go to another development, residential development that's being built. Straight across the road, even more developments being done. And these are very large developments. Like one housing development could be 500 homes. There's some very large developments going on. And they're being sold. Persons are buying them for investments. Because of this area, through when you think about like the Airbnb impact, Ocherius with Dolphin Cove, this Duns River Falls, Mystic Mountain, all the restaurants, the shopping areas, it's less than 5 minutes away. So this is an ideal spot for somebody to set up an Airbnb. And then you have the Northern Coastal Highway, which is the road we're on now, stretching from Port Antonio all the way back to Montego Bay, back to Negril. So you can move around this side of the island quite easily. And this road that's 2 lanes is going to be upgraded to 4 lanes soon. And it's going to look more like a modern highway, more like Highway 2000. And it's going to make moving around this area even easier, the North Coast. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.